The S-500 Prometheus, Russia's most advanced air defense system, designed to counter everything from stealth fighters to ballistic missiles. But how does it actually perform against modern threats from the US and Europe? Today I'll break down its capabilities and see if it really lives up to the hype. The S-500 is not just an upgrade to the S-400, it's a multi-layered defense system designed to intercept a wide range of threats. With an 800-kilometer radar range and missiles that can hit targets moving at 7 kilometers per second, the S-500 is meant to be Russia's first true anti-space defense system, capable of neutralizing ballistic missiles, stealth aircraft, and even hypersonic threats. Let's start with ballistic missiles, the biggest threat on a modern battlefield. The S-500 reportedly uses exosphere-capable interceptors, similar to the US THAAD and SM-3. These missiles don't just explode near the target, they're designed for direct impact, destroying threats with kinetic energy. But how effective is it? While Russia claims successful tests against ballistic targets, real-world combat data is still lacking. Now what about low-flying cruise missiles? These are harder to detect as they hug the terrain and avoid radars. The S-500's new AESA radars and 40 N6M missiles can reportedly handle these threats from over 400 kilometers away. However, highly maneuverable missiles like the US AGM-158 JAS-SM could still pose a challenge. Next, let's talk about stealth aircraft like the American F-35, F-22, and B-2 bombers. Can the S-500 detect and destroy them? Russia claims that its advanced X-band and VHF radars can track stealth jets at long ranges. However, modern US aircraft have electronic warfare systems designed to jam enemy radars. While the S-500 might be able to detect stealth jets at greater distances than the S-400, locking on and achieving a kill is a different story. For non-stealth fighters like the Eurofighter Typhoon or F-15X, the S-500 poses a serious threat. With speeds of Mach 9 interceptors, fighters operating within its range would have a hard time escaping. What about drones? The rise of UAV warfare means that modern air defense must deal with swarm attacks and kamikaze drones. While the S-500 can detect and shoot down drones, using its long-range missiles against cheap drones isn't cost-effective. That's why it relies on integrated short-range systems like the Panzer S-1. Can the S-500 engage naval targets? While it's not a dedicated anti-ship system, its radar can detect and engage large surface vessels at extended ranges. However, Russia relies more on hypersonic missiles like Zircon for naval warfare. So, how does the S-500 compare to its Western counterparts? Against the US THAAD, the S-500 has an edge in versatility. THAAD focuses solely on ballistic missiles, while the S-500 can engage multiple types of targets. Against Patriot PAC-3, the S-500 has a significantly longer range and faster interceptors. However, Western air defense systems like Aegis and SM-6 have stronger networked warfare capabilities, giving them an advantage in real-time battlefield coordination. The S-500 is without a doubt one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. Its ability to engage ICBMs, stealth aircraft, and hypersonic threats puts it in an elite category. However, no system is invincible. Against a well-coordinated attack involving stealth, EW, and saturation strikes, even the S-500 would struggle. What do you think? Can the S-500 truly change modern warfare? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into defense, science, and tech.